When the guests come to visit, how to register their fingers. Let's see. Enter the menu and press your finger. That's master's finger. Go to register. Choose guest. Put their ID. For example, 11. Okay. Put their names. For example, B. Okay. Then press the finger twice and register successful and go to the menu. Let's check whether their finger successfully registered. Choose turn north and then go to the front. Open the cover and press the guest finger and then open. You see, it's open now. When the guests leave, how to delete their fingers? Let's see. Enter the main menu. And choose delete. Choose guest. Put their ID. Remember their ID. That's 11. Okay. And now it's okay now. Thanks for your listening. And this is Biotech.